we're here talking about Maine Beer Company Lunch India Pale Ale from Freeport, Maine. Give us a quick rundown on this beer.
It's the East Coast swing on a West Coast. Let me read this to you. Lunch is a special whale that has been spotted off the Maine coast since 1982. She has what looks like a bite taken out of her fin, which adds to her unique character. We dedicated this beer to her determination and persistence. Keep on swimming.
It's got enough body to stand up to the prosciutto because you got this salty prosciutto on the pizza.
Right.
So when I think of a super clean classic IPA, well balanced, I'm not getting the overload of citrus that's there, but it's not like some of the IPAs, and I'm not discounting those. They're delicious, but the ones that just wham, I'm drinking a grapefruit with some alcohol in it.
Yeah, no, this has mild citrus, maybe a little bit of grapefruit there. I think the citrus complements the basil pretty nicely.
I agree. And I'm going to say this not in a bad way, but the lack of clarity in the body that this beer holds. Wow, I think every time we cook something and we pair a beer, that it can't be as good as the last one. and I just keep finding that it's delicious. It is. There's enough maltiness there, and I'm gonna. In the pour you saw this, but this has got one of the most beautiful colors.
It's not a wimp. This beer's not wimpy. It's not one to pair with some light thing. This is one that can hold its own. It can go against some strong flavors, some fat, some char. That is a powerful beer.